Welcome to the final chapter of this training series on AI ethics and safety. In this concluding section, we'll reflect on the key themes we've explored and, more importantly, what they mean for you as a university student in a rapidly changing digital world. Over the past modules, we've taken a deep dive into what ethical AI means. We've defined fairness, transparency, accountability, and safety. We've looked at how AI impacts education, health, business, law, and society, and the risks that arise when ethical considerations are ignored. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter to me? The answer is simple. Whether you're studying to become a teacher, engineer, nurse, or entrepreneur, AI is already shaping your future. From how you learn to how you'll work, AI will become your co-pilot, but you get to decide what kind of co-pilot it will be: helpful, responsible, and fair, or biased, unsafe, and misused. The purpose of this scene is to anchor your learning. We want you to walk away with clarity and confidence, knowing that you are not just a passive user of AI, you are a shaper of its future. Let's begin the wrap-up by revisiting the journey we've been on. Let's take a moment to recap the core lessons from the entire module. We began with an overview of AI ethics and safety, where we discussed why these topics are more urgent than ever. AI can make decisions at scale, which means it can cause harm at scale too. Ethics and safety are the safeguards that prevent misuse and protect people. Next, we explored key ethical principles, 5 pillars that should guide every AI system: fairness, preventing discrimination and bias; transparency, knowing how and why decisions are made; accountability, ensuring someone takes responsibility; privacy, respecting data and consent; human-centered values, keeping people at the core of all technology. We also examined the risks and challenges of AI, especially in education. These included academic integrity concerns, data security issues, and the potential for algorithmic bias that affects grading, assessments, or student support services. Then we looked at practical strategies to deal with these challenges, both at the individual and institutional level, such as ethical guidelines, AI audits, policy updates, and education. Finally, we addressed your role as a student and future professional. Whether or not you're studying IT, you still play a critical part in ensuring AI is used fairly and responsibly in your field. Each topic we covered built on the idea that AI doesn't make decisions alone, humans are always involved. So let's now move from what we've covered to what you can take away. Here are the 5 major takeaways you should carry with you from this module. Principles to guide your AI journey beyond university. Takeaway 1. AI is already part of your life. Whether you use ChatGPT to brainstorm an essay, Grammarly to check grammar, or YouTube recommendations to study, AI is quietly working in the background. Acknowledging this reality helps you become a more conscious and critical user. Takeaway 2. Responsible use is thoughtful use. Using AI responsibly isn't just about avoiding cheating, it's about thinking critically. Does this tool help me learn better? Am I relying too much on it? Am I attributing ideas clearly? Being responsible means understanding both the power and the limitations of AI. Takeaway 3. Be transparent about AI use. Academic integrity is built on trust. If you use AI to help with research, planning, or grammar, say so. Honesty builds credibility, and many educators are open to AI use if it's disclosed properly. Takeaway 4. Protect your data and others. AI tools collect data, often in ways that aren't obvious. Don't paste private information into public chatbots. Think before you share. Respect others' privacy too, including when collaborating on assignments. Takeaway 5. You can make a difference. Your voice matters. If something seems unfair, biased, or harmful, speak up. Whether in class discussions, group projects, or internships, you have the power to raise awareness and promote better practices. These 5 principles aren't just rules, they are a mindset. Adopt them now. and you'll be better prepared for a future where AI is everywhere. Here's a quote to reflect on: AI won't replace you, but someone using AI wisely might. Let's unpack this. The future isn't about man versus machine. It's about people who understand how to use technology intelligently, ethically, and creatively. Wise AI use means knowing when to use it and when not to, combining human judgment with machine assistance, making decisions that reflect both logic and empathy. Think about a future employer looking for someone to manage a team. Will they hire the person who blindly uses AI to write reports, or the one who uses AI to draft ideas, edits them thoughtfully, and ensures everything aligns with ethical standards? That second person is more valuable because they're not just using tools, they're using judgment, awareness, and responsibility. So, when you interact with AI, ask yourself, is this making me more efficient or just lazy? Am I learning or am I letting the tool think for me? Is this use honest, safe, and respectful? Ethical and safe use of AI begins with small, mindful decisions. And those decisions will shape your personal and professional reputation in a digital world. As we reach the end of this chapter, and in fact the conclusion of our AI ethics and safety module, I want to thank you for staying engaged and open-minded. We've covered a lot of ground together, and now it's time to ask, what will you do with what you've learned? Here are 4 actions you can take starting today. 1. Educate yourself continuously. Don't stop here. AI will continue evolving, and so will the ethical questions it raises. Read widely, follow tech ethics thought leaders, and stay updated on how AI is used in your field. 2. Ask critical questions. Whenever you use or see AI systems in action, be curious. Ask, who benefits from this? Who might be left out? What assumptions are built into this tool? This kind of questioning is at the heart of ethical awareness. 3. Lead by example. You don't need a fancy title or years of experience to influence others. Just by using AI responsibly in your studies and encouraging your peers to do the same, you're already making a difference. 4. Advocate for fair and safe AI. If your institution doesn't yet have strong guidelines around AI use, ask about it. Get involved in student groups, ethics committees, or discussions with faculty. You have the right and the power to shape how AI is used around you. As we conclude this AI ethics and safety chapter, remember, the future of AI isn't just about algorithms. It's about people like you making informed, ethical choices. You are the next generation of professionals, educators, and leaders, and your commitment to using AI wisely, safely, and ethically will help shape a better, fairer digital future for all. Thank you, and congratulations on completing this essential journey in understanding ethical AI.